As a project manager, one of the most frequent dilemmas I encounter is choosing the right tool for the job. The market is flooded with options, each promising to be the ultimate solution for productivity and collaboration. Among the most popular and feature-rich platforms is ClickUp. It's often lauded for its incredible versatility and extensive functionalities. However, with great power can come great perceived complexity, leading many to ask, is ClickUp too complicated? The short answer is, it depends. ClickUp is like a Swiss Army knife of project management. It has a tool for almost every imaginable scenario. This depth of features is precisely its greatest strength, offering unparalleled customization and flexibility. But this same depth can, at first glance, feel overwhelming, especially for new users or smaller teams with simpler needs. Let's break down why ClickUp might seem complicated and how to approach it to harness its power without feeling drowned in options. The overwhelm factor. Why ClickUp can feel complex. Sheer number of features. ClickUp boasts an impressive array of features. Tasks, subtasks, checklists, docs, whiteboards, dashboards, automations, mind maps, goals, sprints, time tracking, custom fields, and more. For someone coming from a simpler tool or even pen and paper, this can feel like stepping into a cockpit with hundreds of buttons. The initial setup and exploration can be daunting. Customization at every level. While customization is a huge advantage, it also means there's a learning curve. You can customize statuses, views, fields, and automations at multiple levels. Workspace, space, folder, list, task. This flexibility means you have to make choices about how you want to set things up, rather than just following a rigid template. Multiple ways to do one thing. ClickUp often provides several different paths to achieve the same outcome. For example, you can track tasks in list view, board view, calendar view, Gantt view, or even table view. While this offers flexibility, it can initially be confusing to decide which view is best for your specific task or project. Steep learning curve for advanced features. While basic task management is relatively straightforward, unlocking the true power of ClickUp often requires delving into more advanced features like complex automations, integrations, or custom reporting. These features require a deeper understanding of the platform's logic and capabilities. Why complexity isn't always a bad thing, and how to tame it. Despite the initial hurdle, ClickUp's perceived complexity is often a byproduct of its incredible capability. Here's why it's a powerful tool and how you can approach it strategically. Scalability. ClickUp scales with your needs. If you're a freelancer managing a few projects, you can use its basic task management features and ignore the rest. As your team grows, or your projects become more complex, you can gradually introduce more advanced functionalities without needing to switch platforms. This grow-as-you-go model is incredibly cost-effective and efficient in the long run. Tailored workflows. No two projects or teams are exactly alike. ClickUp's extensive customization allows you to build workflows that perfectly mirror your unique processes. This means the software adapts to you, rather than forcing you to adapt to the software. This is crucial for optimizing efficiency. Consolidation of tools. For many teams, ClickUp can replace multiple single-purpose tools. Instead of using one tool for tasks, another for documents, another for communication, and yet another for time tracking, ClickUp can bring all these functionalities under one roof. While initially overwhelming, consolidating tools can lead to greater efficiency and reduce context switching in the long run. Powerful automations. The ability to automate repetitive tasks is a game changer for productivity. While setting up automations might take a little time initially, the time saved in the long run is substantial. Automations reduce manual errors and ensure consistency in your processes. Strategies to simplify your ClickUp experience. If you're considering ClickUp or struggling with its initial complexity, here are some project management expert tips to simplify your experience. Start simple. Don't try to use every feature on day one. Begin with the core functionalities you need. Tasks, statuses, and basic views, list or board. Once your team is comfortable with these, gradually introduce more features as your needs evolve. Leverage templates. ClickUp offers a vast library of templates for various project types, teams, and industries. These templates provide a pre-configured structure that can save you a lot of setup time and guide you on best practices. Focus on your hierarchy. Understand ClickUp's hierarchy. Workspace, space, folder, list, task. This foundational understanding will help you organize your work logically and build workflows that make sense. Utilize ClickUp University and Community. ClickUp provides extensive documentation, video tutorials, ClickUp University, and an active user community. These resources are invaluable for learning the ropes and finding solutions to specific challenges. Designate a ClickUp champion. For teams, having one or two individuals who commit to deeply understanding ClickUp can be incredibly beneficial. They can become the internal experts, helping others and driving effective adoption. Hide what you don't need. ClickUp allows you to hide certain features or views that you're not using. This can significantly declutter your interface and make it less intimidating.